Hey Javelinas, I'm Paulina from the Center for Student Success. Registration season can be pretty stressful when trying to figure out which courses to take and making sure to register for the right classes. One important step in registration is making sure to see your advisor. So let's talk about how to set up an appointment with your advisor. First, we'll start with JNet. Log on as usual. When you open JNet, click on the Campus Resources tab. Under Campus Quick Links, you'll find a link to Starfish, which is a system that allows you to connect with your Success network. On your home page, click on the three lines in the top left-hand corner. From this menu, select My Success Network. This will then bring you to a page where everyone you are connected with is listed, including all your professors and of course your advisor. From this menu, find your advisor and select the three dots to the right of their name. From this list, select Schedule. This will then ask you the question, what do you need help with? Make sure to select Professional Academic Advising. This will then open a list of reasons of why you may need to see your advisor. If you're getting advice in order to register, please make sure to select Advising for Registration. Otherwise, select the option that best suits your needs. After this, it'll pull up a list of dates and times. You can select whichever date and time best works for you. Once you do this, click Continue and you are done. You will then receive an email from Starfish confirming your appointment. Hopefully, this makes the registration process a little less stressful. Thank you for watching, and your advisor will see you soon. Bye.